Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you this week? Well, it's all about how do you loosen up when you're drawing. This is a huge problem that a lot of people ask me questions about. So I have 2 quick tips for you. First of all, I recommend before you do any drawing, do a 5-minute warm-up sketch. And when I say 5 minutes, I mean set a timer, do something really quickly. When the timer goes off, you stop. Without that time to think and correct, you naturally loosen up. Tip number 2, follow me.
And the second tip, ditch your pencil, grab a pen. And the reason is, with a pen, there's no mistake. You can't faff about and rub things out. You've only got 5 minutes, so you're going to have to live with the marks you make. And that really loosens you up. So I'm using this little Lego figure, and it's great to just play. And yes, you make mistakes because you're learning. This is an exercise. It's not perfection. And using a pen helps you embrace those imperfections and create a really fun, lively and loose sketch. So a great way to start your practice.
So loosen up your lines, let that pressure go. Take a breath and enjoy. So hopefully these 2 quick warm-up exercises will help you with your sketching. Sketching is a great way to warm up. You know this. Come along to one of my workshops. Join the academy. It'd be great to see you there. Talk to you soon. Bye.